I just finished having car wash. This is the way how they do it. Number 1, number 2, number 3, po. This gun. So basta agad ang oras. 5. This hose. Red hose. Ito yung brush. Nalinisan din. With this blue hose. Ito yung shampoo. Ito yung mousse. Yung bubbles. We have to program every 3 pounds, 6 minutes. Okay, well done. Itong water spray. See you later. Sa ano ko, gasoline station, Shell. Shell. Teso. Okay.